If nagre-rely ka na naman sa January hype to lose weight and change your life, let me tell you why it's not going to work this 2026. January 1, excited ka. New goals, new plans, hashtag New Year, New Me, balik fitness, strict diet. First week, everything is perfect. Feeling mo, this year, makukuha ko na talaga to. Ang sarap makabalik sa consistency. Pero by week number 2, life happens. May emergency sa work, late night meetings, o bigla ang sakit. Then, emotional triggers come back. Stress, fatigue, cravings. Little by little, bumabalik na naman ang old habits. Monday comes, hindi ka naka-workout kasi OT. Sabi mo, okay lang, bukas na lang. Tuesday, nakapag-workout, pero half-hearted. Wednesday, tumapak sa timbangan, same pa rin, nawala na yung motivation. Thursday, tinawag ng buffet. And by Friday, miss workouts at feeling guilty. Pagdating ng weekend, full cheat mode. By the first week of February, nakita mo na lahat ng January hype mo, iniwan ka na. Yung sinabi mo na this year, makukuha ko na talaga yung goals ko, nabaon ulit sa limot. And this happens to a lot of people every single year. And it's not a you problem, it's a systems problem. Because no matter how hard we try, motivation will always fade. Life will always get busy, and emotional patterns will always come back. But systems, it stays. That's why January hype alone will never work. But when you have structure, accountability, community, mindset, and habit frameworks na built in sa routine mo, kahit busy ka, kahit pagod ka, kahit mababa ang motivation, automatic ka pa rin mag-execute. So if you want this January to finally be different, join me sa free webinar na gagawin ko this January 10, Saturday, 7 p.m. by clicking the link below. Here, I will give you a system na magbibigay sa iyo ng consistency at transformation na tatagal ng buong taon, hindi lang 2 weeks. So, libre lang. And if you join us live, you'll also get a chance to win a free Kaizen enrollment plus all other exclusive bonuses na worth 45K. If weight loss at holistic transformation ang goal mo this 2026, sure ako, ito na yung sagot dyan.
We transformed 1,254 Filipinos in 2025 using this method. At hindi itong inventong numbers lang for marketing ha. These are real people with real data and proof. busy professionals, overwhelmed parents, struggling adults in their 30s, 40s, and 50s. And from all those success stories, one thing became clear. Fitness alone is not enough. You need personal development to rewire your mindset. You need behavioral science to master consistency. Put the three together, the transformation triangle, and that's Kaizen. It's not fitness, it's more than just fitness.